Hello, everybody. Dr. Shiram here, and once again with another interesting topic. See, look, recently you'd be very much aware of the concept of dark factories. You know what's a dark factory is? It's a factory where they are not having any light. Okay, all the processes in the factory manufacturing is going on without light, total darkness, where the machines are just now not using see, because there are no human beings in the factory, so they don't need light, because only human beings need light to see, right, to go around the factory and everything. Whereas these machines, the robots that are operating in the factories, they don't need any vision, in terms of like what we need the light to look at, right? So they are using infrared sensors, UV light sensors, and what is the other one, magnetic sensors, to go about their business, of manufacturing. So these are total dark factories. They only require the energy in terms of electricity, to do their things, move their parts in the factory and everything. But whereas they don't need actual light, tube lights and other lights, to see, right? So see, in a traditional factory, especially in the night time, you need lights, right, for manufacturing, because the human personnel will be going around, so they need lights to see. They cannot go do these things in the darkness. Even the daytime also, the interior of the factory, many places are lit with electricity, right? Electricity lights. But in a dark factory, you don't have none of these because there are no human beings there, right? But so this is seems to be a very new concept. But let me tell you that this concept is as ancient as the history of living beings on this planet. Just think, what are you? What's your body? Your body is nothing but a dark factory, a dark biochemical factory. See, your body outside. See, the light cannot penetrate your body beyond a certain depth, and so all your internal organs, everything, they are in darkness, right? So heart and everything, so all the cells of the heart, all the cells of the stomach, the dark factories, right? Everything is going in perfect precision there, all the biochemicals, all the biochemical reactions, the cells are all operating in perfect darkness. They are dark factory, right? So this is what I wanted to say. So the concept of dark factory is nothing new at all. We human beings, what to say, not just human beings, what about other living beings, similar living beings with an internal body structure and everything. All the internal body structures, of many of the multicellular organisms, especially mammals, vertebrates, invertebrates, especially those animals that move, they are dark factories inside. You see, light doesn't penetrate, but things are going on perfect precision throughout the lifespan of the organism. See, in our case, let's say we technically live up to anywhere from 70 to 80 years. That's a normal average lifespan of a human being. The dark factory is continuously going on since the time of conception, right? And from the time you are born all the way, you are in complete, the internal organs which keep you alive are in complete darkness in the body. Light doesn't reach there, so it's a dark factory. So something to really think about, right? All right. So if you agree with this, you can leave some comments on the video. Okay, bye, take care.